What's up, homies? It's Taras, and I'm gonna record one more quick Trello video about how to get started, how to log in, how to make your very first board, and just take a look at some of the template features that are available, just all the things you need to do to make your very first Trello board. So let's start here at this login screen. So today I'm just going to log in using like a dummy Gmail account because I don't want to, put my email up here for everybody to see. So I've just got a lovely dummy Gmail that I'm using here. So there's definitely a lot of different options as to how to log in. Normally I would use just my regular email, which I have a Atlassian account through. So in this case, I'm going to use Google, but you can also use Apple, Microsoft. I think there's a few different options as far as how to authenticate. Okay, so I just busted out my phone, and that allowed me to log in through Google. It's taking a minute to get this sucker loaded up. Okay, cool. So you can see I already created a board. Let's just take a look at some of the templates that they have available. So if you're doing, some of this sort of small business stuff, we got design here, got a bunch of different categories. I work in software engineering, so the engineering IT templates, these are probably the most relevant to my work interests. But in this case, I'm just going to make a simple, personal board. So I've already got one example here. Let's make another one. We're going to call this one home. And you can pick out a background. Let's use this little cute picture. I guess it's like, yeah, we got a mountain. We got a stream. I don't know. This is beautiful. I don't know if it's like Italy or the Netherlands or what's going on here. But anyhow, you can change the background if you like. Just set up whatever color or background you might like. But in this case, I'm just kind of showing how to make a very basic board for your own home project. So in my case, I'm a pretty disorganized and sloppy dude. It's easy for me to forget about cleaning tasks, and then my lease comes up or my parents are coming over and it's like, oh shit, the kitchen's super messy, right? And now I have to do all this work to get it cleaned up. So instead, what I've been doing is spinning up a cleaning task for my template, since cleaning your kitchen is basically the same every time. Kitchen doesn't super change over the course of my year, especially since I'm living in an apartment. I don't do any remodeling or anything like that. So it's pretty much the same stuff that I got to clean up every time. And yeah, just having a little bit of a structure so I get a room of my apartment clean every month, and then having like the templates so I can spin up a new cleaning task for this month. That just makes it really easy for me to stay organized and keep on top of my cleaning. And then again, it's also really convenient to have Trello both on my computer and on my phone, so I can make like a grocery list. I take my phone over to my fridge, make a checklist of what I need at the grocery store. Then I head over there, check off my list. I've got the app in two places. It's really cool for me. Okay, so we're going to show off just how you get started in making a simple board like this. So we got our home board. We got a lovely picture. Let's add in a few little lists. So I like to do a templates, planning, in progress, which is like what I'm working on, and then finishing touches. And finishing touches is sort of like I'm almost done with something. There might be a couple more things to do, and then I'm going to archive it and send it away so I don't need to look at it no more. Okay, so let's make a template. All right, so we're going to have a kitchen cleaning template, and we're also going to have just a basic shopping list in our planning. And then in our shopping list, what do we want to do? We want to go to the grocery store. and we're gonna make some banana sandwiches. So we want peanut butter, jelly, bread, and bananas. Cool. So we got our shopping list planned out. Let's go in our clean kitchen template card. We're gonna make this card a template. Do some cleaning every month. That'll be our description. Then we'll make another checklist here. What do we got to do when we clean our kitchen? Well, we got like a whole bunch of stuff laying around. So let's clean the table, countertops, oven, microwave. We got a sweep. We got a mop. And we got the oven, right? How about the refrigerator? All right, cool. And, you know, my apartment doesn't change very often, so this will be good. It'll probably last me like a year or so before I even need to make a change to this. Cool. So we can create a new task using either this copy button or this create card from template. So we're going to have a goal of cleaning this kitchen in October. And we're going to move it to our planning list. Okay, cool. So now we have these tasks that we want to do. And what I like to do is as I'm doing my things, I move them from left to right. So, okay, I'm going to start working on my shopping list and on cleaning my kitchen. Cool, I go to the grocery store. Bam, 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 bam. We got our shopping done. Come home, do some cleaning. Okay, and since I'm a lazy procrastinator, I'm taking a little while to finish cleaning the kitchen because I don't want to clean my fridge. But I archived that shopping list, and if I want to get it back, I just go into the activity menu. I can click this here shopping list, and I can move it back to in progress if I want to. And it's back, but we don't actually need it. So I'm done procrastinating. I'm ready to finish cleaning my kitchen. You can see it has a lovely glow, and we archive it. All right, so that's basically what you need to know to get started using Trello to organize your personal tasks. Again, this is free. There's many more cool features, power-ups, automation, the templates that I showed you earlier. So if you're a lazy bones like me, try Trello out. It can help you stay organized and get stuff done, whether you're collaborating with other people like on a group project or just doing some sort of solo projects like cleaning your freaking kitchen. Anyway, this is going to be the end of my Trello tutorial, at least for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it out, and I hope you found this helpful. Peace, homies.